Like a time machine, this destination transports you back to your childhood. Imagining being the ruler of your own tropical kingdom, with coconut trees as towers and boats as carriages. There's no limit in stories you can imagine in this little paradise. Habang nasa barangay Iliw-Iliw, 3 kilometers from the Tourism Information Desk and on the way to Paratek Beach, siguraduhing daanan ng Nambalan Cove for some postcard-worthy photos.
Kuya! Tingin ka po. Kaway, kuya.
Madalas na ginagawa po ng mga turistang pumunta po dito sa amin, naliligo sa beach, then camping, picture taking and picnic. Ang hanap buhay po dito sa amin, pangingisda po at nakakarating po sa bayan ng Dasol, Talaminos yung mga nakukuha po nilang isda.
Camping, photoshoot, picnic are allowed as long as you make sure to keep the place clean. Meanwhile, lighting a bonfire is not allowed to protect the nature and swimming is discouraged due to the depth of the water. Pwede pa rin namang magtampisaw at lumublob sa shoreline. Put your hats on, stand tall, and look around this 360-degree view of all things magnificent. Fit for a royalty, take all the memories you can take. For the key to the treasure chest of priceless experiences is right at your palms.